All right, hey there guys, and today we are talking about the JVC flat over-the-ear headphones. Yeah, I've had these headphones for a while now. Actually, before I got this pair, JVC, I had a pair of black ones. As far as I know, they come in white, blue, like a really dark blue, and red and black. I've always wanted a red pair, but I always got these for a gift each time. I got the white ones and the black ones were both for a gift, so I didn't really get my choice of the color, but I like white. I wanted to get the red ones, but anyway, these headphones work really well. They fit on your head really nicely. They adjust right here on either side to adjust whatever size head you may have on both sides. Yeah, I don't know who would need it that big, but you know, there's people out there like that, and it's very comfortable. They're very light. Don't really feel that they're on your head. They are very flexible also here, and it's not squeezing you to death against your ears. Yeah, and here it is a really nice cushion. Is really soft to the ear. Very, very soft. I think just about anybody would like how these feel on your ears. Yeah. And it comes with a just about a 4-foot cord. This is not wireless. It's or go through Bluetooth or anything like that. It's wired and has a standard 3.5 jack. And what I use these for is usually for when I'm listening to music. I'll plug these into my cell phone, and I will, just listen to music on there using these when I'm relaxing or anything. I use these to relax, especially because I don't like the headphones that you stick in your ears, like the ear pods or whatever you call them. It's not comfortable to me. So I'd rather have something laying on the top of my ears, So I know a lot of people swear, the ear pods are so much smaller, take up so much room in it. And I understand that, but I like the comfort of just having soft cushion on the outside of your ears, just against the ear itself. It's nice. Yeah, I like that a lot. Oh, I've had these for, I would say probably, I don't know, maybe a year and a half. And the sound that comes from these is really, really good. I mean, you will have to turn the volume down. A lot of earphones, like you could turn your amplifier up all the way and you still will feel like you're not really hearing it. These, if you let them, will blow your ears off. They're really, really good. And the fidelity is really clear and crisp. You can hear the bass in here also really nicely. Yeah, I think these are one of my favorite pairs of headphones. I have a few headphones that I use on a regular basis, and there's just a couple that I am particular to, and these are one of them. Yeah, I like even working out with these sometime when I'm on my treadmill, and I'll just have my cell phone plugged into, attached to my hip or my shoulder. I'll have this plugged in, and since it's a fairly long cord, I can just plug this in and, work out with them. It's really cool. Yeah. The sound is great, and I like them a lot. Now, this is the only downside I see to these, is that I mean, it's not really that bad, and it could just be me, but the downside to me is this material on the outside is an imitation leather, and it's a little different than the other leathers that I have in my other headsets. Over time, like when you're exercising or whatever, or even when you're just laying around with them, it tends to make you sweat a little bit around your ears, because it makes a really nice seal. And I guess it also depends on the weather that's outside. It's going to, affect your skin. But I mean, you don't feel irritated or anything, or like it's like chafing or itching or anything, but you do feel like it's getting a little wet there. I've noticed that, but it takes a little time. I have to have it on for a good hour before I start feeling something like that. So, and it's not like dripping wet, but it's enough to where you're like, let me wipe my ears real quick and wipe the padding here. Yeah. But other than that, I like them a lot. Yeah, they do go good by me, and I haven't had a problem with them as far as breaking or anything. They're good. They last too. All right, that is the JVC Flats over-the-ear headphones. All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.